Hello everyone, thank you for taking the time to check out my channel. In this video, I'm going to be testing my phone's capability of taking 4K video. I am currently at a waterfall. The name of it is Big Falls. There's a couple sandbars over here. Another one down that way. There's a little beach over there. Very beautiful area. It's my first time here. Gorgeous. There is not going to be too much to this video, guys. Just a quick test of the 4K, just to see how it looks and how it looks on my channel. I'm a little curious. You can actually swim in this water. A lot of people do. I'm not going to be doing that today. I didn't bring my swimsuit with me, but I'm going to be coming back at some point, and I'm definitely going to be swimming in this. That's going to be a lot of fun. Well, that's going to be it for the video, guys. Please take a second, like, comment, subscribe, check out my other videos, and have a good day.